Hi, I'm Danielle. Welcome to Bruce Telecom. I'm going to show you how to use the features of your digital TV service to make the most of your viewing experience. One of the advantages of our digital TV is our user-friendly remote control. Let's take a look at the functions of the remote. To turn the set-top box on, hit the blue button. The replay, skip, fast forward, rewind, stop, play, pause, and record are all used to control your PVR and on-demand features. To access your recorded shows, press the red button. To go back to live TV while in a recording, press the green button. Pressing the menu button brings up an icon toolbar allowing you to access all the features of your digital set-top box. The option button allows you to adjust the aspect ratio of your picture. The info button brings up the episode details about the show you are currently watching. Pressing the guide button allows you to see all the channel listings. The last button allows you to return to the previous channel you were watching. The menu bar is a powerful tool that allows you to access all the features of your digital set-top box. Pressing the menu button brings up the toolbar. One of the icons is called widgets. It allows you to see headlines for sports, stocks, if you had a Twitter account, weather, finance updates, and news updates. Also in the menu brings you to the guide, the DVR function. The rentals icon shows you all the new release movies that are available for purchase. It has the movie details and the price, and also a trailer available to watch before you decide to purchase. The icon, My Library, has information on videos that you've rented, pay-per-view events, reminders, and caller ID history. Packages allow you to see your on-demand content. If you subscribe to the Movie Premium package or Disney Channel, they include free on-demand content. These are all the shows that are included and the listing within that show. As you can see, at the top it says $0. The Control On icon allows you to turn the parental controls off and on. The settings allow you to go in to change your user options. Favorites allows you to choose, edit, and delete a favorites channel listing within your guide. To create a favorite list, highlight Create, and scroll through the listings and just click OK, and a heart will appear beside the channels that you've chosen for your favorites listing. Highlight Update, and now that favorites listing has been created. To go back and edit, choose Menu, Favorites, Edit. Select the channel that you'd like to remove by hitting OK. Select Update. and now it has been saved. To delete a favorites guide after you've created one, go to Menu, Favorites, select Delete. It asks you the name of your favorites guide. Do you want to delete it? Yes. And now it's been deleted. The search option allows you to record program listings or video on-demand rentals by title. You can also set up program recordings and series recordings from the search results listed. To enter the text, select OK. Using the arrow keys, find the letters and select Done. You now have three options: to search the guide, to search within video on demand content, or search recordings. I'm going to choose guide. The next option is to do an extended search, which would be up to 14 days in advance, or quick, which would be 7 days. It is now searching the program guide to see when CSI will be on in the next 7 days. Bruce Telecom makes choosing your favorite shows easy with fast time-shifting ability, complete with episode details. Let's take a look at how to use your guide's functions to the max. Press the guide button. As you can see, it shows all the channels listed. Pressing the guide button a second time shows subscribed channels only. Pressing it a third time shows HD channels only. And pressing it a fourth time shows our favorites list that we've created. Pressing the exit button saves your preference. Now each time you press guide once, it will show your preference first. To navigate through the guide, use page up or page down to scroll through. Using the right arrow key, scrolls over in time. Pressing the skip button moves the guide 12 hours ahead. And to move it back, using the replay button, goes back 12 hours. If you see a star icon beside the episode, it means that it's a new episode, not a rerun. If you see an HD symbol, that show is airing in HD. There are 3 types of scheduled events: reminders, auto-tune, and recordings. A reminder informs you a program is about to come on. An auto-tune automatically changes the channel when the program is about to start. To select an auto reminder, highlight the program, press OK, and move down to highlight Set Reminder and press OK. And now the reminder icon appears. To cancel the reminder, press OK and select Cancel Reminder. To set an auto-tune option, press OK and highlight Set Auto-Tune. Now the auto-tune icon appears. To cancel, press OK and cancel auto-tune. To change the aspect ratio on your TV, select the Options button and use the right arrow key to change. And press Exit to save your preference. Creating more than one user account allows you to have separate parental controls and purchase limits for each user. To create a user, go to Menu, Settings, and to put your main user password in, and then select User, and Add, highlight New Login, select OK, and name the new user. Create a password. Here's where you can set the allowance for video on-demand rentals. Enable the caller ID. And now enter the main user's PIN password. And select Continue. Now to set up parental controls for this user, you can set the content rating, the movie rating, and the TV rating. Select Submit, and now that user is created. To edit, select the user and edit. And here's where you could change the password or allowance of movies. To log in and out of each user, select Menu and select Sign Out. And now a Sign In appears where you can put your password in and you can change the user. If you have your telephone service with Bruce Telecom and subscribe to Caller ID, the on-screen Caller ID comes enabled with your digital TV. To disable the caller ID, go to Menu, Settings, and uncheck Enable Caller ID. Then select Submit to save your changes. Bruce Telecom offers a WholeHome PVR system and the ability to pause live TV. Our personal video recorder allows you to record up to 4 shows all at once. With our WholeHome PVR system, you only need 1 PVR per home. Then use other digital set-top boxes in other rooms to watch your stored recorded content. Now let's see how to set up a recording. To record through the guide, highlight the program and press the record button. Now that show will record once only. To edit the single recording, press OK, and a sub-menu appears. Select Edit Recording, and you can edit so it starts early or ends late. To make it into a series recording, press the record button twice. Now there's a plus sign with the red dot. That means it will be a series recording. To edit the series recording, press OK. Select Edit Series Recording. And now you have the options to choose New Only or All. To start and end, early or late, and limit to how many episodes it records. To view your recordings and shows lined up to record, go to Menu and select DVR. The recordings shows all the shows that have been recorded. The To Record shows future recordings. The Schedule Priority allows you to select the priority of the shows. The DVR only allows you to record 4 shows at one time without watching TV, or watching TV and recording 3 at the same time. If you have set one show to go over an extra 5 minutes, the one on the low priority list would get bumped out. You can also schedule an event and view your recording history. If you're watching live TV and want to quickly record something, select the record button. To pause live TV, select the pause button. The hard drive automatically starts recording while on pause. There is a 2-hour buffer to hold your record on pause. To resume the program, press play. You can also use fast forward option to skip through and catch up to live TV. To watch a recorded program, select Menu, DVR, highlight the show you'd like to watch, press OK, and play recording. To fast forward, press the fast forward button once for 2 times, twice for 4 times, 10 times, and 25 times. The stop key stops the recording and asks you if you'd like to keep or delete this from your recording folder. A commonly asked question is, do I have to have my PVR power on for my scheduled recordings to happen? The answer is no. You can have the power button off. When the power is off, the color is red. But as you can see, the record button is still highlighted with red. As long as the set-top box is still plugged in to the power outlet, the recordings will still happen.